My name is Carter Marquis, and I am the shop manager with Results Paintless Dent Repair. The difference between PDR and traditional bodywork is the fact that whenever you're doing paintless dent repair, we're going to be getting inside the panels and we're going to be working the dents out from the inside out, and we're going to bring them back to surface level. Unlike if you were to go with the traditional body shop, they're going to completely be replacing that panel and repainting a brand new panel, or even worse, an aftermarket panel. The PDR process is relatively simple compared to what you would see in most body shops. Here, with our body shop, we primarily deal with insurance claims. We would assist you in filing the claim with your insurance, and once the first step is done, that's when the ball really gets rolling. We can handle everything else that you would need here at our shop. Once the claim is filed, we will then be scheduling with you to be able to pick up and bring your vehicle into the shop. Here at Results Paintless Dent Repair, we do offer a valet service. We have drivers on standby anytime, any day that are able to meet you at your place of residence or at work. We would then, once we get the vehicle into the shop, at that point, that's whenever we would wash the vehicle off, put it under our lights, and get our own estimate written up. This is not an approved insurance estimate. This is just an outline for the insurance so that they understand what we're looking for in order to get your vehicle repaired correctly. The next step would be us scheduling an insurance appraiser to come out to our shop to review the damages that are on your vehicle. We will be going through each and every single panel and every single dent that is on your vehicle to make sure that the insurance pays for everything. By that point, once everything is said and done with them, we normally give them about 24 hours, and the adjuster will now email over that insurance approved estimate, and repairs will start as soon as we receive that. The repair process only takes about maybe 2 to 3 days, and after that you would be getting a complimentary detail to top everything off, and we will valet the vehicle back to you.